Today we're going to take a look at the 12 days of bath bombs by the Elysium Spa. I think it's going to be just a really fun mini advent calendar. It does come all sealed up, so none of the bits are going to come out, which is nice. And you're not going to lose any of the aromas as well. It does tell you on the side the different aromas, but let's get it opened up and see how they smell. Now the big question is, do you start day number 1 and work up to 12? Or do you start at 12 and work up down to number 1? Let's not start any chaos. Let's start with day 1. Here we go. So day number 1, it's a nice sized bath bomb there. This is in the scent vanilla and sandalwood, and I can smell it through the packaging. It's very smooth, very sweet, quite adult actually, quite nice, very pleasant. Day 2, a pink one. This is going to be red berry fizz. That's really nice. That smells like kind of like raspberries. It's really nice. It's going to be lovely. Move on to day 3. Oh, another yellow, which is the vanilla and sandalwood. Day 4. Oh, we've got a different one. This is midnight fig and coconut. Oh, I think that might be my favourite. They're all very nice. They're all like really soft, slightly sweet, but really nice. Can be very relaxing. So who do I think this would be a really good gift for? I think it's a gift for anyone. Give it for yourself. I think it's for a man, woman who doesn't like baths. Good for a teenager, a kid, anyone really. I think this is a really nice gift. It is very giftable as well. I'm a big fan of thinking that rather than giving someone a gift on Christmas Day, offer them an advent calendar instead. Say, hey, let's do this instead. So every day you get a little gift. So every day they think of you. I think it's really nice. So very giftable. Maybe even a secret Santa or a teacher gift or a neighbour gift or, just a gift for yourself. Day 5, we've got another red berry fizz. Day 6, I think this might be the Jasmine and Cashmere. Yeah, that's the Jasmine and Cashmere. That smells really nice. How do they make it smell like cashmere? I don't know. It does. It's nice. I like it. So in here, there are the 4 different scents. So over the 2 weeks of Christmas, you do get a chance to have a few baths. It's going to be really lovely. You can always double up. You can mix and match the flavours maybe. Lovely. We've got another midnight fig and coconut. Day 9, 10, 11, finally day 12, the last one there. Really, you cannot go wrong. It's a really fun way to gift or receive or just enjoy your bath bombs this year. But yeah, overall, yeah, I really do recommend it.